It's been a while since the last time I've been on this channel, and a lot of things have changed. For instance, this phone. This is a phone that I've been eyeing on for a good few weeks now, and I have been wanting to get the OnePlus 6T for a very long time of almost 7 months now, which is coincidentally the number of this phone, OnePlus 7. So today we are unboxing the OnePlus 7, and straight away we can see that OnePlus has put in a very clean design into this package, and they have made it very nice, and the material on this is actually really soft. It's almost like a matte finish, but it's kind of got that mesh kind of feel. So it is very premium like. I know I'm very late to do this kind of video, but honestly I don't really care. I just want to make it, as ever since I was a little kid I always wanted to do unboxings of the latest tech, and this is very new. So this is a first for me because I always been buying used phones or phones that were out for in the market for like a year, which was my last phone, the Sony Xperia XZS. Yes, that is a very long name, but that doesn't matter. That's not what we're here for. Here is the box, and here is the manuals and everything. This is where the instructions are, the stickers, everything's in here. So let's just take a look. This is the soft touch I've been talking about. And let's take out the manual. Here's the welcome letter, which I'm not going to open because I don't really like damaging stuff, so I'm just going to keep that away. Here's a SIM eject tool right over here. And we've got stickers in there. That's very nice. I love the way OnePlus puts that in. It's just like Apple, so it's very premium feeling. All the manuals there. This looks to be like manual. There is the OnePlus branded case. And finally, what all of us have been waiting for. Here is the phone. Look at that. It's just absolutely beautiful straight away when we look at this, and we haven't even opened it yet. It's absolutely magnificent. The first time holding this, absolutely ginormous though, but it's just like a slab of glass. It's beautiful. Obviously, compared to my old phone, it was always going to be a lot better. We have got a screen protector on the screen straight away, so you don't have to worry about any scratches or anything like that. We'll put that to the side for now, and we'll just have a look inside the box. There is the 20-watt dash charger, if I'm correct. Or I think, yes, this is the dash charger, the 20-watt dash charger, which comes with a red cable and no headphone jack to USB-C adapter. That obviously meant I had to buy one myself. So cheers OnePlus for that. So finally getting my hands on the phone, it just feels really great. I already put it in the case to not scratch it. I'm a very tidy person. I really don't like damaging anything, so that's why I always have my stuff protected. I've just been taught that way, to respect things. Let's just set this up, and I'll get back to you straight away. Okay, so I've completed my setup, and the phone is looking great. It's looking pretty amazing actually. Obviously, I had to try a lot of things out, set things up my way, and everything was running absolutely smoothly. And it's been, I think, a week. No, not even a week. It's been 4 days, I think, since I got the phone, and everything is still running absolutely smoothly. If you do want a video on a week later, although I don't think it is really necessary, there's a lot of people that have done these types of videos. I think if you do want me to do one though, I'll be very glad to do one. But anyway, the fingerprint runs absolutely amazingly. I have not had one time where it was just not reading my fingerprint or just not doing it quickly. Everything is very snappy. I have not tried the face unlock feature, but and I'm not really even trying to, and I'm not even trying to go near that. I have put gestures on the phone. That is one of the reasons that I have bought this phone. Also, the alert slider. The alert the alert slider is very useful in situations like when you don't want to pick up your phone, when you're sleeping, when you're in school. Screen is very good. Honestly, when I compared it to my old phone, which you're gonna see in a sec, the first thing that came to mind was the size. It's absolutely ginormous compared to the old phone, and I thought straight away, how am I even gonna use this? But I came to get used to this very easily. Actually, I would definitely not go back to the old phone, as this phone is just way too good. Okay, so let's just check out the speaker quality on this. These are Dolby Atmos stereo speakers, so they are definitely going to be very good, but let's just see how good. So as you can see, the audio quality is great, and here we are looking at the fingerprint scanner, and it is also very snappy, as I said before. There's a lot of features to this phone, for example, the night mode, Zen mode, there's a lot. There's the screen recorder that I showed earlier, and honestly, if it really comes down to what phone to pick, I wouldn't really go for the OnePlus 7 Pro. That motorized camera, that might be a problem in the future. And if you are thinking about buying the OnePlus 6T, don't, because this phone is going to last you way longer. It has UFS 3.0 storage, which is going to be very snappy in the long run. Obviously, those speakers are another great thing, and that fingerprint scanner is way faster. Also, the camera is going to get constant updates. Nightscape is very good. And yeah, the camera isn't actually that great yet. I'm using the G cam, and it's way better there. And that's really all I can say about this right now. Actually, one really cool thing there is, as you can see, 156 days ago, that's when the last full charge was. So, does this mean they used a battery from a OnePlus 6T, or did they already have this phone? We will never know. but the components are probably the same from OnePlus 6T. Just everything's faster. I will now show you what my older phone looks like compared to this. So yeah, just look at this. So if you noticed a sudden drop in quality, don't worry, that's not your screen. I'm just using a different phone. It was my mom's phone because the other footage was actually recorded on my old phone. You can see it's actually pretty good footage. So I never complained. I never complained with the camera on the old phone. It was a little dated. So there it is. There is my unboxing and a bit of a review, if you like. I don't know if I'm going to come back to this channel. You might as well see me next week. You might not. But until then, like and subscribe. All my social medias will be in the description down below. And I'll see you later. Yes, I'm using my outro from my art channel. Deal with it. This feels good right here. Yeah.